CSS notes. One of the most mind-boggling issue confronting aspirants is quest for notes. Aspirants are found knocking at doors of academies asking for notes. Most of the successful candidates, when asked, attribute their success to effective notes. Notes define what candidates would be communicating to the examiner via their answer sheets in the examination. It depends on two aspects: what they write, how they write. Prerequisites of effective notes. 1. Completeness. Your notes should contain all facts related to the topic. The best guide in order to gauge the completeness of your notes is provided by past PS papers of that subject. Whenever you think you have completed a subject or even a topic, compare your notes against the question asked related to that topic in past year's papers. You should be satisfied with your preparation and notes only when the information contained in your notes is sufficient to answer all those questions. 2. Conciseness. Your notes should be brief and to the point. You need to package your answer in minimum words possible. The best technique in this regard is to prepare notes in the form of outlines. 3. Consideration, candidness. The trend in CSS exam has changed. Now the examiner is more interested in opinion of the candidates. That's why he asks questions demanding objective analysis of the issues. Your notes must contain a margin for that. Include some points for critical analysis or commentary on that particular topic. In the examination, with the help of those points, in questions where your opinion is asked, present a view that is honest, sincere and guileless. 4. Concreteness. Your notes must be specific and definite in describing events. It must contain a vivid description of an event or state under discussion. 5. Clarity. It is very important to be clear in your answers. While preparing notes, should use familiar words and expressions to enhance understanding. These should be no use of jargon or technical words. 6. Courtesy. Maintain a proper decorum of paper. Don't make it informal by casual comments or answers. 7. Correctness. Avoid grammatical errors in your answers. Sources of notes. Textbooks. Prime source for study material. Textbooks provide basic elements of every topic that must be understood in order to grasp the essence of topic. Make an outline of the text you read in each topic. Note down all important headings. Also draw relevant diagrams, figures, tables, etc. Lecture notes. Highly valuable source as the lectures delivered are a result of thorough research. I'm referring to genuine and honest teachers here who impart knowledge with utmost sincerity and dedication. The crux of that lecture is delivered in form of lecture. Thus you need to note down all important points from lectures, including facts and figures, any maps, tables drawn, and figures, diagrams. Such material is usually obtained after consulting a number of sources, so it is not possible for anyone to search that much for each topic. Thus, taking out notes from lectures saves precious time of the candidates. Newspaper. A reliable source of additional information that you need to keep your notes updated. If a story covers a particular issue, keep your notes on that issue with you as you read the story. Add any useful information that is new for you in those notes. This way, you'll keep refining and improving your notes. Websites. There are many useful websites on each subject. Follow one website for each subject. Some general educational websites are mentioned below, but you must use these websites specially for topic under study. http://www.jworldtimes.com/ http://www.spartacus.schoolnet.co.uk/ http://www.sciencemag.org/ http://www.coursera.org/ http://www.britannica.com/ http://www.science.nasa.gov/ n.wikipedia.org https://www.khanacademy.com/ dictionaries. Important source of information. You need dictionary for definitions of topics, as these definitions are required for each topic. Magazines. Another important source for preparation of notes is magazines. There are many good magazines available in market for current affairs and other disciplines. You should use the articles appearing in these magazines in the same way you use newspapers. Some useful magazines are mentioned below: Jahangir's World Times, Quarterly Journal, Newsweek, Current Affairs Digest, Economist. Techniques for preparing notes. During first reading, preparation of notes goes along with your first reading. Dedicated notebook. Make a register or notebook and dedicate 20 to 30 pages for one subject. Outline format. It is preferable to make notes in outline form as it saves time. One topic page scheme. Write name of topic at the top of the page and try to note down all key points in 1 to 2 pages only. Important definitions. Write down a couple of definitions on that topic from textbook. Key points. Note key points of the topic as you study. Technical terms. Also note all technical terms mentioned in the topic. Diagrams, flow charts. Draw all useful diagrams and flow sheets. Make sure that all these figures and diagrams are easy to draw in paper. Lectures. Additional points may be obtained from lectures if you attend any. Second book. Now pick up any other book that you intend to read for the subject and start studying the same topic. Add any other useful point that you find in that book in your notes. Next time you would not have to go through both books as you have their extract on paper. Start next topic on a new page. Page numberings. Always write page number on each page if you are using loose pages. An extra copy. Keep a photocopy of your notes as pages might be lost or damaged. Headings. Use headings and subheading to keep notes short, precise. Skip lengthy descriptions and unnecessary details. Bullets format. Preferably write in bullets. Subsequent readings. Keep updating your notes with each subsequent reading. Notes preparation. Preparation of notes, as highlighted earlier, is the most important step in your preparation. More than anything, it is essential, as you cannot revise all your study material each time from 4 to 5 books, sources. It takes too much of your precious time at the end when each minute is important. As you cannot consult all sources time and again, the need for short notes becomes significant. Moreover, the CSS exam is scheduled in such a way that revision is not possible during papers. Personalized notes. You need to have short notes made by yourself during study so as to quickly peruse those notes in an hour or so that you get in break. This last time revision proves crucial as you go with all information fresh in your mind. Thus, making your own short notes is another essential for success in CSS.